Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to fold a Simple Swan. If you like origami and you like paper airplanes, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell for notifications. I'll be delivering something new every single week. I'm really excited because I received my packet of origami paper today. I haven't bought a packet of origami paper for the past 15 years or so because I never really had the reason to do so. And you guys give me a reason to do so this time around. So I decided to share it with you guys by making this Simple Swan. I decided to make this Simple Swan because the instructions came with the packet of origami paper I ordered. And believe it or not, I've never really made this Simple Swan before. So bear with me a little bit when I trip a little in the middle of the clip. Open up the swan and we're done. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. I'll be delivering more videos like this every single week. And once again, thank you for watching and see you next time. Click left for more paper airplanes. Click right for more awesome origami like this.